Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this cute little simple crochet dishcloth. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 5.25 millimeter hook or an I/9 and some number 4 weight cotton. I'm using Knit Picks Dishy, it's a worsted weight. And I made the base with this yellow color and the border with this green. So to make the start of our dishcloth, we're going to make a slip knot. And we are going to chain 27. So yarn over and go through the loop like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we now have our 27 chain. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chain in the second chain from the hook. But we're going to do something different where we turn it over this time and crochet in the back bumps. So you're going to go through the back bump, pull up a loop, pull through, get 2 loops on the hook and pull through both loops. Go through this bump on the back of the chain and make single crochets across. So see how there's the 2 V's on this side. What we would normally crochet into, but we're going to flip it over and go into the bump. Like that. So now I'm to the last 5 chains, so we'll do this together. So you go through the back bump of the chain, pull 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Go through the little loop, or the bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. There, we have just completed our first row. So you should have 26 single crochets. So now what we're going to do is chain 1 and turn the piece. So we're going to single crochet in this single crochet right here, the first one. Go through the little V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And we are going to single crochet across the entire row. So make sure you have this little V on your hook when you single crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2. Like this. I will meet you at the end of the row. So I have just completed my last row. So I'm going to make the border. So I'm going to undo the last single crochet. And I'm going to pull up a loop in this yellow color. And I'm going to take this green color and pull through both loops with this. Then I can cut the yellow eye. And now I'm going to chain 1, chain 2, because this counts, the first chain counts as our single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet in the side of this piece. Just try and get about 1 single crochet per side of the row, and you should have about 35 rows. Just gonna single crochet along the sides, like so. And I will meet you at the end. So I made it to the end of the row, so now we are going to chain one, turn the work, and single crochet across again. We are going to keep repeating this until we have a nice little square. So now I have reached the end of the side, so we're going to chain one and single crochet in these. So this is why we chained. When we chained, we single crocheted in the back loop of the chain, so it would look like single crochets on top, so it's easier for us to crochet. To single crochet across and crochet over your tails. Makes it a lot easier. But you can't figure it out, you can just weave them in. It's easier for you. Just go like that. I'll meet you at the end of the row. I have reached the end of this row, so I'm going to chain one, turn, and work across this row, or side of the piece. I'll meet you at the end. I reached the end of the side, so now I'm going to chain one and single crochet in the tops of these single crochets. So as we are approaching the end of the row, what we're going to do is we'll get the single crochet right here, this last one, to slip stitch into the stitch, into the chain, the one chain of the chain two we made at the beginning, and we will cut our yarn and pull it off. And that's how you make this cute little dishcloth.